discuss one topic is called web address. Web address is also called URL. So universe, a uniform resource locator. So you already studied about what you mean by universe, uniform resource locator. So here the location on a net server is called a website. So each website has a unique address is called a URL, uniform resource locator. So we study that we need to create website using different types of web pages, then we need to host that website on a particular server. So in each website have one address, unique address, it is called a URL. Then we type the that address on the web browser, then only we can move to we can send a request to that server. So according to that request we get that particular page. So this is a working, we already study that. So here the URL, the website of a, for example here website of a Microsoft has address of URL called http double slash then www.microsoft.com. This is an example of URL of Microsoft. So here then the internet structure of the World Wide Web is built on a server. This a set of rule is called hypertext transfer protocol. So we, if anything we search on the internet, we see that there is an HTTP in front of that URL. So this is called HTTP is a protocol. So it is also called a set of rules. Means the protocol means a set of rules. So here and a page description language is called a hypertext markup language. So with using HTTP and HTML, then the entire internet is working. So here HTTP uses the internet address in a special format is called a uniform resource locator or URL. So here one example is there. How URL look like means first part of the URL is type, then full colon, then double slash, then address, then path. So here downside one example is there, http full colon double slash ncycle.msn.com slash getinfo slash style.asp. This is a complete URL. The first http is called a type of server. So instead of http we can use ftp and other server type. So http refers to the what type of server we use. So here we use http server. So then after that double slash there is an address of the server. So here ncycle.msn.com is the address of that server. So here full ncycle.msn.com slash getinfo slash styles.asp is the that full path of that style.asp. So styles.asp, that is a page we want to get. So for getting that particular page we need to mention this full URL. So first http, that's a type of server, then the address of the server, so then the actual page name. So here page name is the style.asp. So then other examples are ftp full colon double slash ftp.penshard.com, then here http full colon double slash www.yahoo.com, like news full colon double slash alt.tennis etc. So here ftp and http, then news are the different types of servers are available. So here you can look at that in here one table is there. So here type of different servers are listed here. So ftp, gopher, http, mail and news are the different types of server internet servers, and what they provide means ftp means the file transfer protocol. So it provides the text and binary files that are organized in a hierarchical structure. So this table is an important, so you need to study this table. So questions like they give the server name, then we need to write the information it provides and what is the full form of this protocol also. Then gopher means another type of server. So it transfer the control, it is the protocol used by the servers are TCP and IP, transfer control transmission control protocol and internet protocol. Then HTTP is a hypertext protocol. Then mail server uses two type of protocol is called POP. POP means post office protocol. This is important because this time question paper this question is coming, what you mean by POP and what you mean by SMTP, simple mail transfer protocol. So these are the protocol used by the mail server. So the use of these protocols are messages sent via email. So next one is news server. So news servers are use the protocol NNTP, network news transfer protocol. So the NNTP or the news server, it provides the news groups that organized in a hierarchical structure. So this table is an important question is server, different type of server and which protocol they are using, then the